back with another video, and this is great news for hardware 3 owners out there. Apparently, uh, Tesla has found a workaround. Instead of doing a hardware upgrade, which I think they still might do in the future, depending on how this goes, essentially it's a patent that will um, access the chip and utilize AI to, allow it to think um, up there with the version 14 and 15 or whatever they want to come out with, instead of having to, be limited with the hardware. So this is the patent US 20260017503A1 that they have talked about. Basically, it allows high precision AI models to run on the older units. Um, and it would do it so by using clever math and software instead of requiring brand new silicone. This creates a realistic upgrade path where AI3 can be pushed toward AI4 class capability using software alone, rather than forcing Tesla to abandon millions of older vehicles or hold back its newest neural networks. Uh, the same advanced full self-driving software can be scaled across AI3 and AI4 and future AI5 systems, just with different efficiency levels. So that is great news. Like I said, they could possibly still do an upgrade for people that want to like go up to AI5 or higher, even though Tesla recently just said AI5 will be their last physical chip. Tesla talked about AI6 also being finished after AI5, so who knows? But this is great news for people like me that have hardware 3 and want to experience FSD 14 and above. Right now, FSD 12.6.4 is pretty good, but being able to back out of your driveway by clicking on FSD self drive, that would be pretty good for us as well. And also being able to park when we get to our destination. So that's just one of the, videos, the things I want to share with you guys. What do you think about this? Do you think it will work? Um, they say that right now, currently, FSD 14 does not utilize the front bumper camera. So we do not have to have the front bumper camera to, experience what FSD 14 has to offer right now, other than better quality cameras, which would be a nice thing to upgrade to in the future. I don't know if we're able to do that, but it'll be better to have 5 megapixel camera versus, I forgot what we have right now. It's like, I think it's 1.2 megapixel. But yeah, leave a comment down below if you have a Tesla hardware 3. Do you feel relieved that we are finally getting something and not being abandoned? uh yeah, give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.